Hey, how's it going, everyone? Getting set up here? Actually, pretty much already set up. We've got a plan for today. We do, a pretty good one. As you can see, we're going to be upgrading our shared canvas experience. That's using only divs. Only divs! You could use a canvas. You could. We did before. We're just using straight divs. HTML divs, right? Every little pixel that you see on the screen. Hey, I see you there. How's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Good to see you. Party poppers. I see what you're doing over there. I saw what you're drawing. I kept the windows open on my desk. I could see it. I can see it. It was a lot of fun to see all the different things that you did. I was trying to capture some of them. I took screenshots. Happy Thursday, Kyle. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're going to keep going on our project here. I'm going to add storage and retrieval. We need to update the README. We're going to add an array of pixels. Hey, Torva, good to see you. Welcome on in. Yesterday, we succeeded with our 1 million divs. You saw it. Torva, you were trying to draw on the screen. My computer was fully, all the CPU cores were maxed out. It could barely handle it. However, it did. It worked. It handled it. The Linux Empire needs you. I love it. You're getting some memes going there. Hey, YouTuber. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're going to be upgrading our, what do you call this? Our pretty div canvas things, what we got going on here, which looks really good. It's really good. Sorry. Hey, it's all good. It almost worked perfectly. Actually, it technically did work. It just was slow. It was slow. It was a bit slow. Also, chat's working today, which is great. My chat shows now. It sure does. You got it. We have how's it? Inot face cam. Oh, how's it going there, Inot face cam? Good to see it. Oh, hey, did you see my pull request? I didn't. Let's check it out real quick. Let's check it out. Was it over here? Oh, we got some pull requests. Okay, wait, we've got a plan. We're going to address the pull request for rainbow color generation. Hey, there we go. We also change divs to canvas. Add settings at the top. Wait. We already have a canvas. Hey, Nath Nolt. I don't know about this. Mona Lisa. Yeah, there you go. You guys are happening it. Steve, give me a link in Discord. Brandon. You want to join in on this? Okay. Give me the link in Discord. Sure. All right. So let's see here. It is under the link share. Where is it? Link share. Perfect. All right. Scroll. 1 million divs. Right here. You click that button. And then it shows up. Yeah, I'll paste it there for you. There you go. Okay. Not. Oh, the chess one. I saw the chess one. Wow. 2 moves. The chess one, you guys. This is neat. I love it. So we are going to be doing more of this today. That's the plan. Okay, so let me see here. Let's go over to the repository. All right. So you said change divs to canvas. So see, we already have canvas. We already did that. We did it already, right? We did the canvas. So if this is going to convert it over to canvas, we might not do it. I undo that as well. You did? Okay, let's take a look at what you did here. All right, div main. Why'd you get rid of the div? All right, no worries. Body button input. Okay, so you're adding some stuff. All right, interesting. You get a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Yeah, it's good to see you guys. Thank you for the party poppers. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. But also redo it. I added mobile support. Oh, so this got mobile support now too. See, this is it here. I see what you did. Hey, it's PubNub. Check that out. It's PubNub. Yeah, we added mobile support as well. So I'll go into it real quick. I'll show you. Check this out. It's really neat. So we already have a Canvas app. This one is specifically for HTML divs. It's specifically for HTML divs. Yep. So you can see on the screen we've got some colors there. We got a div. And you can. Hold on a second. Wait. A video started there. I gotta get that. All right. Let's go. Here we go. Let's get the next song queued up here. All right, perfect. Oh, look at that. It's so neat. Oh, that's so neat. That is fantastic. Right there, what you see there. I love that. That's great. All right, let's get over here. Hey, as I said before, I launched my product on Hunt. You want to see it? I do. YouTuber, send it on Discord. Send it under link share. Link share on Discord. Link share on the Discord, you guys. All right, links share on the Discord right around here. Yeah, go to link share. How's it going there, Mark Lemon? Welcome on in. Show me again. Ban the not. I know, right? I don't know. I see what's going on there. I see what's going on. We'll have to clear the screen out. We'll have to have like we're going to add a clear screen button. Add a clear screen button. Thank you for painting over it. Thank you for painting over it. I got it up and over there. My wife thinks you're handsome. Oh, Mark Lemon. That's great. That's a wonderful. I appreciate the compliment. Nice smiley face you got there. All right. So, Nathan Nolt. We saw your change here. And since it changes it to canvas, we can't move it in because we already have canvas. However, there's another PR that we have to check out. Let's check out the other PR. I can loop my drawing if you want. We might have to do that. Yeah. We might have to make that happen. Made a script to draw any image. I can see that. It's great. It's wonderful. I love this. It's so good, you guys. Hearts and likes. Thank you. That's so great. I also did more stuff. You did? I saw you add some buttons in there. You got some buttons. You added, what's this? A C element? What's the C element do? Pixelated? Image rendering? What is this? I've never seen this before. Hey, we got the Shrek. I love this, Torva. It's great. I was watching. Let's see it. Let's see what this is. I suppose what we could do is we could pull this and see what it looks like. However, I don't know if it's backwards compatible. It's make the canvas element not blurred. Oh, got it. Okay. The more we know, Nathan Nolt. Shrek. It's Shrek, you guys. All right, let's keep going. Or is it Shrek? Well, hold on. How's it going there? Alnell? Wait. I've seen that you guys are doing scripts to drawing images. It's very good and interesting. Oh, thank you. That's appreciated. It is. It's neat, right? It was a good idea. This was, I believe, Quantum's idea from a while ago. It's also Rainbow support. Ah, yes. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this locally and we'll try it out. Really cool. All right. Get status. I think I added some to-do items that I need to commit for real quick. Get commit am added to-do items. All right. Push it to main. All right. Get fetch dash a fetch. Oh, I need to spell fetch correctly. Fetch. Hey, we got an owl now. It's got an owl on the screen there. That's great. I love it. I don't have the image support though. Hey, no worries about that. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out on stream right now. We're gonna try it out. I won't be able to merge it in because it goes against the project. Though we are gonna try it out. We're gonna actually make it happen. We're gonna look at it. We're gonna see what it looks like. All right. Get fetch dash all. Can we do that? All right. Let me try get branch. Okay. Get checkout origin / what's your branch called? Okay. Paste. Go. Why did that work? Get checkout origin / these colons, you guys, I don't think they just don't work with my get checkout origin. Error spec path did no match, no files in get. It's this colon problem, you guys. It's this colon problem. Tab. Can we do that? How do we do this? See, I've never figured out. How do you do it with a colon? You can choose the drawing to use too. Nice, really? This is my comment. Oh, Jinlu, we got another one of your songs going here. We got a new song. I don't know what it is. We're gonna check it out though. All right, we're gonna make it work. Don't worry, we're gonna make it work. I promise. We're gonna make it. Hi, bro. Sohan, good to see you. We were chatting over there on LinkedIn, weren't we? We're chatting on LinkedIn. This is my comment to show you. Steven, yep, you're there. You made it. I renamed the name of the repo. Did that mess it up? I don't think it's your fault. It's my fault because there's these colons right here in the PR which prevent me from pulling it. Hey, how's it going there, Zach Leonard? How's it going? Happy Thursday. Is it Thursday already? Wow, this is crazy. Preben, you guys. This is my fault right here. I need to figure out how to deal with that. How to pull branch with colon in name. How do we do this? How do we do that? How is your music changing? Have you fine-tuned your music AI assistant? It's running, it's just YouTube. This is Jin Lu's music, you guys. This is Jin Lu's music. It's just happening. That's what's working. Let's see. I need to pull the branch. Get fetch origin. Get checkout local branch. Oh, I need to put it in quotes. Oh, that's how I do it. Okay. Quote marks like that. That didn't work. Hold on. Let's try this. Origin. Okay. Get branch. Whoa! We've got some sort of squirrel doing something there. I can see squirrels doing something. How's it going, everyone? Good to see you. I think the bug on a comment because it's not showing you. I see it. YouTuber, it's showing up. I see it. What's up, buddy? We're doing good. We're doing good. Wait. How is your music changing? It's just YouTube. What is the question you want, language you want to know the most? I just want to know one question. What language you know the most? My favorite is Rust. My most used languages are Python and JavaScript. Those are my most used go-tos. Python and JavaScript, you guys. Knock, knock, who's there? Quotes, right? We got to do in quotes. All right, so let's see. Get checkout main. All right, get branch. All right, so let's see. Did that actually work? Get fetch. I need to check out this. See, the problem is that's not doing the trick here. Maybe I put this whole thing in quotes. That doesn't seem to be working. I thought we had it figured out. Nunya, is it Nunya business? What do you think of C#? It's great. It's one of my early languages as well. I loved it. I built a lot with C#. List the branches. All right, let's try it. Get branch dash A. There we go. We got some remotes there. Yeah. Yes. Then copy paste. Yeah, Terry B. Exactly. How do we fetch all branches? Get poll. All right. So maybe here what we could do. We could do this. Get poll origin is what we know to do. Get poll origin. Was it origin? All right. Origin. And then we got the feature branch here. Oh wait, that was not right. Let's go back over here. One moment, you guys. Was right here. Right here. No. All right. We got it. Paste go. And there we go. We pulled. Wait. Oh no, I thought it was gonna work. I was like, it must be working. Couldn't find remote reference. Why is this not good? It's these colons, you guys. The colons, they just don't work for me. It's whatever it is. I don't understand. Let's see. What do we see here? Let me click this. Here's what we'll do. You forked it. I'm just gonna download your code directly. We're gonna make it work, you guys. Hey, it's the cat playing chess. Steve, does your PC have celery and broccoli and Stephen Blum inside? A little bit, and just a little bit. Download zip. All right, did we get that? Okay, let's grab the zip here. Whoops. Let's see, where'd that go? All right, I believe it's in the downloads folder. So let me open that 1 second over here in a different window. Downloads. Where's that at here? Wow, where's that? Oh, I see it. I see it. Okay. CD 1 million. All right, there it is. Ella, perfect. We got it. All right, so I'm just gonna open that up real quick. We're gonna see what it looks like directly. I have sent something in the Discord. Oh, Sohan, you did? All right, we'll check it out. One moment. All right, so I need to open index. Here we go. Hey, is that it? Is this right? Oh, look at that. Rainbow speed. Okay. It does work. Hey, Nath Nolt, if you're still here, Nath Nolt, we got it working. Rainbow mode. Let's add it. Hey, look at that. We got rainbow mode. Hey, look at that. That's great. You did it. This is actually pretty good. It's actually very good. It looks excellent. I see you've done a good job here. What's the size? Speed? What's speed mean? Let's go size. Let's go bigger. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's great. I don't know how you did that. That's amazing. Oh, that is fantastic. How fast it changes rainbow. It's so good. It's very good. Yep. The div. You can change it to canvas and rendering. Oh, you can? Let's see, random. You even got a color picker. Nice. Very nice. Hey, you did all the things that we planned to do. You did all the... It's very nice. Very nice. Oh, neat. Is your PC edible? Is it? No, I would not. Well, technically you can eat it. You could technically eat it if you want to. It's on the .html code. Oh, got it. Understood. Yes. Like and subscribe, you guys. Like and subscribe. Oh, that's really great. You're doing a good job, you guys. You're doing a good job. Let's see here. Oh, Povin Music. Thank you for your mention over there. I saw you got it got held up though. Held up. I don't know about the colorant though. Yeah, it's a choice. It's a choice. It's a design choice, right? So good to have you guys here. Happy Thursday. Hey, you did very good. This is a good job. This is a very good job. Nathan Nolt. Good job, Nathan Nolt. All right, Vi. Let's take a look at some of the code real quick. Let me pull this over here. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. All right, we're looking at. So you said index, canvas. Okay. What do you mean? There's canvas? Oh, render style. Hey. All right, here we go. All right, let's change it. We changed it. There, render style. Oops. I reloaded the wrong window. I reloaded the window with the music. Oh no. That is hilarious. Okay, there we go. We'll get the music back going. It's a lot of code. Nice. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's do rainbow size 10. Nice. Very nice. I like that. You did a good job on that. That's really good. All right, let me get my music set back up here. 1 second. Oh, it's already there. Okay, we'll go. We'll get that one going next. All right. Perfect. All ready to go, you guys. All ready to go. So good to have you here. I need some tips. I'm in the uni. Learning networking and cloud. What do I do? What do you think of my chances of getting hired after 3 years? Well, my assumption is that you're going to need to know the AIs, because the AIs are going to be the way that we are rendering, code and systems and managing networks and things like that. So you need to be able to understand how those works. You're on the right track, I believe. Do you use NeoTree? I don't know what that is. Is that something with NeoVim? I use regular Vim. I just use ordinary Vim. I do think that PubNub. Oh, PubNub is impressive? You do? You think PubNub is impressive? Awesome. Check your canvas. Which one? All right, so Brandon, what we're gonna do here is we've got another PR to check out. It's over here somewhere. Pull request, is it? No, not this one. Let's go back over here. All right, 1 million divs, and go to pull requests, and then go into rainbow color generator. All right, let's check this one out. PubNub, sorry, I figured. The OG, check your canvas. All right, 1 second, you guys. So good to have you in. Ooh, happy Thursday. All right, let's see. Rainbow returns function that lets the advanced current hue rainbow step, thus shifting color every time a pixel is drawn. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look what it looks like. Hey, I like this PR. Look how simple and clean that is. Make rainbow. Make rainbow. I love it. Next color. That's awesome. I love it. Okay. Are you using NeoVim or regular Vim? Regular Vim. This is regular Vim. So Vim, you can see. Oh, yeah. It's just regular Vim. Regular Vim. All right. Let's pause that. Okay. Vi index. Did he change the name? What's the name of? What do you mean? What do you mean, Kyle? What do you mean? What is the name? What are you talking about? Okay, let's keep going, you guys. All right, so we need, this is our plan for today. We're gonna add a storage and retrieval. We're gonna enable faster pixel rendering. For those of you who are drawing on the screen, you'll be able to render pixels more quickly by doing an array of pixels rather than just one pixel at a time. I think that'll help a lot. It'll speed it up like 10x faster. So you go instant drawing, instantaneous. Check the first canvas. Oh, you mean the original one? I don't have it open. If I do though, let's see here. 1 second. That will be, where is that at? That is under a different directory. CD / desktop / it was called bitmap. Okay, open canvas. Here you go. Here's the original one. There it is, right there is the original one. Let me pull it over here. What are you drawing? You're drawing something. Something build. You are building. All right. What is he saying? What you're saying? What are you drawing? What is that? I can't read it. Business. Something business. Your business. Like using AI for diagnostics. Yep, my dad just got out of the hospital. He's fine. But they asked if he wanted to use an AI to sign to agree. Thought that was weird. It is. It's unusual. We're in the future, aren't we? What are we thoughts on Claude Code? Is it going to replace developers? I think the answer is that it's a tool right now, because you can have an AI, though you don't have anything that has an ambition or drive or desire to build anything. It's just currently a tool that's a large, giant paintbrush that can paint code very well, accurately, and quickly. And the AIs can do all the other works too. It's like a giant paintbrush that can paint things very quickly. So I don't think it's replacing people. I think what it's doing is it's sort of taking some of those original disciplines and then feathering them out to more people. And we're going to see a new kind of role appear over the next few years. So I don't think it's taking jobs. I think it's creating more jobs is what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Chair. Yep, the chair, you guys. All right. So let's close that real quick. Okay. This is really neat. All right. I like this pattern. This is neat. We've got 2 different canvases going. Y'all are drawing on it. I like it. Bro, so we're a lead developer at Microsoft. Share your experience and how did you become that? Oh, well, I tell you, it was, I don't know what to say. It's just software engineering, and it was all about writing code, and it was me mostly with JavaScript knowledge, some C# knowledge, some C knowledge, Perl. I knew a lot of Perl, right? $100. Hey, YouTube movie clips. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. So I wasn't crazy or anything. I mean, it was just e-learning, right? It was e-learning. So Microsoft Partner University for sales representatives that were learning how to sell and understand things like SharePoint and Microsoft Office. And they needed to understand the capabilities and features of these softwares, right? This was a long time ago, right? This was like decades ago. This was multiple decades ago. So it's a different world now, although there's still e-learning and things like that. And so I built and managed that platform from a tech perspective, building it out. Chirpin Blum. Chirpin Blum over there. All right. So, I mean, it was, we used, I don't know what to say. We used Subversion software control. How's it going there, loons? Hello? Bro, were you always a pro? When did you become so passionate about coding? When I wanted to become a game developer. That's what it was. I wanted to be a game developer, so I started learning things like DirectX and OpenGL. If you want to add mobile support, just do normal pointer events. Yep, that's what we did. Touch action none, a body, and HTML selector. That's what we did. Yep, and it works. We added it. We're good to go. So I can sit. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I can like draw around on it. Let me do a reload real quick. Reload. So here, I'm going to also reload this screen so it's a little easier to see. All right. So yeah, we did that. We did that right here. Whoa, Kyle, what are you doing? You're gifting for myself. What are you doing, Kyle? I was not expecting that. Hold on a second. Hey, Kyle. You just gave 5 memberships. All right, you know what's going to happen, Kyle. As soon as I can gift memberships and I see you live, you know what's going to happen. You know what's going to happen. It's going to happen, Kyle. I promise. We just gifted 5 memberships. Whoa, check that out. With 2 Prod by Core. We got Kung Fu. We did Kung Fu Gaming. Kung Fu Gaming. Soki got one. All right. Raging Wiz. Adam Bazer. Or Baver. And we also got, there you guys go. Adam Bavier. Adam Bavier. Check that out. Kyle, that was amazing. Thank you. I was not at all whatsoever expected. What are you thinking? This is great. Kyle, it's going to come back around, I promise. Adapt or learn into something different industry to survive in the AI wave. You got to adapt and move with the times. If you stay behind, you're going to lose. Hey, Killer Nosp. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Soki, you got it. You got it. How's it going there? Sohan, thank you for saying hi. Is chair working this time? Chair's working. Hey, Neva, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hey, Neva, we'll definitely go back to Python and AI. Right now, we're doing some fun JavaScript for the rest of the week. And then AI a little bit, I think maybe next week as well. We'll see. We'll find out. You started your Streamlit UI today. You did? Working good with parallel LLM calls. Ooh, parallel. You're doing them all at once. Loons, thank you for saying hi. Where have you been, Neva? Nice. Yep. Nathan Knoll. Good to have you, Nathan Knoll. Good to have you over there on the purple over there. Okay, so let's keep going. So I've got a plan. So we got mobile working. Mobile works really well. So I just had this up here. So you can see I can draw on the screen. You can see I'm actually moving my finger around. You can do 2 fingers at once. You can do 3 fingers at once, right? Oh, maybe do 4 fingers at once. Hey, there we go. Now we're doing 4 fingers. You can see them on the screen. Oh, what about 5 fingers? Yep, you can do 5 fingers. Can you do more? Yeah, you sure can. You sure can. All right. Been AI maxing. Yeah, AI maxing. There you go. All right, so let's do this. Let's do something chair. What? You have chair. The chair. Yep, we got the chair. AI maxing. I like that. I like that. I like that terminology. All right, let's add the ability to do arrays of pixels. That's what I want to do. Face drawing. Yeah, we can do some face drawing there. All right, let's keep going. All right, so where is the transmission at? And the ability. So this ability will only be useful when it comes into the picture of. Oh, wait, I remember. There's a better caching. Better caching. We need to do better caching. I think. Can we do better caching? I think we'll leave that up to a different task later. Steven, look up maxing. Wait, why? It won't do anything. If I look at maxing, it won't do anything. Man, what the heck is that? What are we doing on your phone? Right, Sohan? I know, right? So you can see, it's just drawing. You can see I'm drawing on the screen at the same time. You can kind of see. You can kind of see it. Just a smidgen there. A smidgen of drawing. A little bit of drawing there. How else would you describe building a compiler with a bunch of AIs checking each other's work where you look at the code and the direction? I know there's a lot. Hey, bro boy, good to see you. Who's, knock knock, who's there? Brandon, who's there? Hi, bro boy. Good to see you. Steven is definitely max charisma. Yeah, max the charisma, you guys. He doesn't know about it. I'm maxing. It means that you're, using it. From my understanding, you're going all in on AI and you're just using as much as you possibly can, right? Isn't that what maxing means? MHC. Hey, Steven, good to see you. Nunya business. Brandon, I bet it's none of your business. Developer exotic. How do you get your teeth so white? Oh, you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. That's how you do it. YouTube chat working again. Yep, YouTube chat's working again. It was having a problem yesterday, you guys. We're back to it. What are we doing today? Bro, we're going to be doing this list of to-do items right there on top of the screen. Basically, it makes the thing more fun because it's kind of lazy. Oh, there we go. Loon, thank you for saying hi again. Why are you always so energetic? Because we're doing some neat technology stuff. We're doing some great technology stuff. Today, right here on the screen, we're going to make maybe some better caching on our painting canvas. We're going to do a screen clear button, maybe a color picker, I don't know. Some more colorful colors there. A few things like that. That's the plan. I think it's a great AI is a GCC compiler. Oh, what do you mean? You think the great AI is a GCC compiler? Well, I suppose. Oh wait, no, Brent, I was wrong, Brandon. Let me know what it was. By the way, I sent a PR with the rainbow colors. Yeah, I want to. We're going to merge those. We're going to merge those. We're going to merge it. This one's going in because it's a simple, clean one. Here you go. Approve, submit, and merge. One moment. Pull request. Hey, there we go. Merged. We merged in, you guys. Looks maxing is an odd Gen Z trend, Steven. Oh, got it. Okay, understood. It's a thing I don't know as an old person because I'm in my 40s. Technologia? What technologia? Technologia, you guys. You can look at your subscribe to see what I mean. All right, let's check it out. All right, 1 second. Desktop downloads 1 million. Let's see. Yep. And then we go to indexing. You said subscribe. Oh, hey, you already did it. That's what we're going to do. Hey, Nithnolt, you're doing the things that I was planning on doing. Check that out. Look at that. That's great. We're going to rewrite those. We're going to rewrite those things. Nithnolt, check that out. I didn't even notice that. Haha. You did all the work that we were already going to do. I know. Incels affect so much of the language we speak. Maxing terminology from the incels. Yep. New language, you guys. New language is happening. Ever understood? Caching, the functions where you add value in a map. Example where, yep, that's what we did. Caching. We do the cache here. CACH \C. Where did we put that? Where did we put that? Was it around here? Oh, wait, no. This is a different. Okay. This is a different file. One second. Let me bring this over. Caching, cache, /C. Yeah, right here. QS cache. There we go. What's up, Danger System? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Hi from France. Loons. Hi from United States of America here in Seattle. Seattle, Washington. GCC compiler is the lightest AI and can even be tried without internet. I still don't get it. What are you talking about? I wonder if we could do a 3D rendering in this 1 million divs project. I mean, the basic 3D to do 2D projection would be simple enough. Would probably need some send data more efficiently. Yep, that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to add it. GCC is an old-fashioned AI with heuristics. Oh, is it really? Oh, I didn't even know that. Oh, Neva, thank you. You described it clear. I understand now. What's the idea of caching? The idea of caching allows you to perform a task that's sometimes computationally expensive and save that results in an index. That index will allow you to retrieve that saved result quickly, usually O of n or O of 1. O of 1, usually O of 1 time, right? Or pretty close to, right? Pretty close to. So it takes a very long, slow task and it caches the result so you can retrieve it instantly. That's the idea of caching. So I was thinking of doing some better caching. It's not necessary at all because we already have the basic caching. We're already good. Hey, it's PubNub. Check it out. It's PubNub, you guys. My pleasure. Yeah, you're doing good over there. Space-time trade-off. Yes, system, exactly. Space-time trade-off. C-Lang is now trying to add more data-driven ML workflows, specifically inlining, because inlining is very hard. Not like LLMs. Got it. Okay, good to know. Hey, do you know about reverse engineering on applications of making a mod? Yeah, you can disassemble. You essentially convert all the machine code back into assembly, right? So that part, pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward in that part. And you can see what system calls are coming from the code. And you can do a lot of work that way. You can do a lot of interesting things. So like you have a function a plus b, you save a plus b as a key. Oh, yep. Then calculate it once and then set the value. Exactly. Soki, you got it. Unlike other languages, GCC is very short, concise, and clear. It's pretty good. Bro, are you an entrepreneur? Yes, Sohan. So for those of you who don't know, I am an entrepreneur. I am the CTO, co-founder of PubNub with Todd Green. Co-founder with Todd Green. We raised 134 million. Series E, 1 billion connected devices. You're experiencing it right here now on the screen where you can see some drawing. You can see some drawing occur there. And that happens remotely through a communications API that we built, distributed our code across all of Amazon's data centers. You connect to the closest data center and you get amazing latency and performance. And I've got 68 patent claims that have been granted based on this technology, and I've been in the tech industry for 25 years professionally. Does anyone know whether there is an array that has a bad apple from framing it? Does anyone know whether there is an array that has every bad apple? Oh, so like you're looking for the whole list. I don't know. I know who would generate it for you, though. I know who generates that for you. That's also kind of reminds me of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. Yep, I like functional programming. Would you say you prefer to pull requests to be one thing and then we document or something? I've never worked on code in a team. With pull requests, you want them to be very short in one thing. One thing. Change one thing at a time and make it very short. What's a good pull request? This one right here, the rainbow generation. It's one feature, one capability, boom. One feature, one capability, right? So let's reload that. Wait, I didn't pull it. I didn't pull it yet. Oh, I did. I got rid of it. All right. Let's close this. Git status. Git commit -am updated to-dos. Okay. Then we do git pull origin. And we're going to pull in the rainbow origin main. There we go. How big is PubNub? Oh no, we got to pull. We can fix this. We can fix this. Let me add this in real quick. We'll do rebase true. This one's easy. This one's an easy one. And then pull. And then we're good to go. And we're good to go. Now we've got rainbow colors. Right? I'm pretty sure. Yep, there we go. Everyone's got rainbow colors now. Hey, all right. I like that. I like that. The only challenge with that is you can't really draw easily with that. How big is PubNub? So we are definitely not as big as a Fang company, right? Obviously, we're not that big. However, we are pretty big. And then you can go, where is this at? Is there a link around here somewhere? There is. And you can see, yeah, we're like around 120 or so. Maybe I could have written in some comments as well. Oh, that works too. However, you might be a Fang company someday. Yeah, it might happen. Like, why would you do it like for recurring calculations? Yes. So like, for example, you see here on the screen, I'm dragging my mouse around on the screen. Every time I do that, it has to calculate the position of where my cursor is and what div element it's associated with. And that calculation has a cost to it. However, I can save the cursor target based on the entry and refetch it. I can refetch it immediately. And so the calculation's a lot faster next time. That's why. That's what we're using the caching for. That's what we're using caching for. So it's faster. So it paints faster on the client. A little bit faster. What you can do instead of caching like you are now is do something like put a var div. Yeah, at the top, that's what I was thinking. Hey, you know what's going on, and then immediately cache every element all at once in a giant array, or giant dictionary, or like object. Hey, Nathnolt, you are very smart. Well, I'm saying you're very smart mostly because you're thinking of all the things I'm already thinking of. Who are you? One array, you got it. One array, you can do it better. Yep, exactly. One array, and then you just access the elements directly. You are smart. Who are you? We should connect on LinkedIn. Nathan, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm front-end dev for 10 years. That describes why. You know what's happening. Hash table. Yeah, hash table. That's also good. Any internships you guys offer PubNub? Either in remote mode. Yes, we do. I'll let you know in our Discord channel. When we've got any open up. Hey, Jinlu, welcome on in. No way I showed up here. You sure did. 2023. Which software I can use to reverse engineer an app and add some modifications? You need to use a decompiler. Just look for a decompiler. There's a lot of them. And you need to make sure the decompiler supports the architecture that the application's been compiled for. You probably won't have to worry about that. Gonna have to watch some milk. My family makes our own milk. You do? Never. Really? Learning new things about you. I also want to be an entrepreneur, knowing code and main purpose to create positive impact in the world. I'm very passionate about exploring and using AI for better use. Can you give me some advice? So on. Yes, definitely take advantage of the AIs. You want to be able to, when you go to market, you want to be able to attract customers and have your customers use your product. That part is a whole other deal. Additionally, sales is a very important strategic advantage that you cannot do without. You got to have sales. You guys. You definitely got to have sales. All right. Scrolling out. So, hello, Mr. Steven. I'm currently building a project that's 50% progress. The project is a web app aggregator, job aggregator platform where you can get specifically software engineering related jobs, where you can get the job link. That sounds great. An aggregator. That is actually really useful. You already know. Good job. My tripod broke just now. Uh-oh. Jinlu, that's terrible. This is my first MERN stack website. Hey, there we go. Mongo, React, Express, right? Mongo, Express, React, and Node, I believe. I believe that's what that is. All right, you guys, let's add some features. Let's actually get some coding going. Let's do this. Let's get the code. All right, vi index. Oh. All right. 1 second. Index. Do we need... Nope, music's happening. 1 moment. Let me check this out. Let me go to the next. Let's go to the next music page here. 1 second. Oh, it already was. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Your first time learning Express and JavaScript, the whole web. Hopefully this project will look good for my portfolio. Yeah, I think so. Let's do the project. Oh yeah, Sohan, that would be great. You also could team up. You guys, you can team up. Okay. So better caching, clear screen. Let's do this. Let's enable pixel arrays. Let's do that. I want to do that one. All right, let's go here. Clean up a little bit here, a little bit of the code. This is weird. This is weird. Is this... I'm not familiar with this. Next color. Next color. Color. Okay. Ah, I see what's going on there. We're going to do a little bit of cleanup. Okay. I don't think we need that. Let's double check that works. Yeah, looks good. We should also add history. Okay, so two things that we're gonna do today. History, maybe. I really want to do this one. You sent a quick video in general of your tripod. All right, let's check it out. Message me on Discord, bro. I just commented on Discord. All right, Sohan, sounds good. Hello, let's see here. General.
This plastic piece just like snapped off, I guess.
No.
I don't know if I can fully extend this thing, but I have to record a video for school in case I'm sick tomorrow. This is not good. Yeah,
that's a problem. That's a problem. Oh no, how are you going to take care of that? I hope you're able to take care of that. That is Jin Lu. Uh-oh. Maybe tape? I don't know. You got any tape? Message me. Join in disc. Okay, sounds good. All right, let's get back into it, you guys. Let's do some more coding here. Tape probably, yeah, exactly. All right, let's do... I'm just getting through some of the code. Let's do a little bit of cleanup here. Whoa, Kyle! Channel attracts smart people, huge collaborations. Well, thank you. Join the Discord, Kyle. Whoa, I appreciate it. Kyle, you're like #1 now. You're #1. You are #1 by far. All right, we got to reply to that. We're going to say, thank you at Kyle, at Flip. Can we do that? Oh, no, we have to say thank you, Kyle. Party poppers. Thank you, Kyle. What are you doing here? All right, so now I'm keeping track. I'm keeping track, right? I'm keeping track. It's all in my head. I've got it. So that is like around 15. Yep, I've got it in my head. 10 memberships. And like around 15 gifts in the dollar range. I'm gonna remember it. Anthropic ditches core safety promise. I know, isn't that crazy? System, that was like their whole mission statement. They're like, hey, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make AI, but we're gonna make it safe. And then their excuse is like, oh, don't worry, the rest of the world, they're making their AIs safe-ish, so we're not gonna be any worse than them. That's what their excuse is now. Kyle, thank you again. That was amazing. Kyle, you're wonderful. I would love to hear my raw story of how you started the company, what challenges you had, if you ever got giving up, etc. Especially in the early days. What stuff is super interesting? Yeah. All right. So let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can tell you some of the stories. So I had been entrepreneurial. I had started other companies before. The idea was sort of Wix, or, you know, if you're familiar with Wix, website editor that's built into the browser. Back in the day, there's Dreamweaver, Front Page, those sorts of things. I wanted that experience 100% in the web browser, which was challenging because you had things like Internet Explorer 6 and Netscape and Mozilla and Firefox only just barely, and Chrome wasn't even out. You started at 17. I know, right? That was so long ago. It was so long ago now. Yep. You know it. The money I'm donating is from app revenue. Oh, is it? The money I'm donating is from app revenue. Oh, got it. Okay. Well, good job. You're doing a good job. You got in the revenue there. Hospital is using AI. Way too early IMO. For real users, I know, this is dangerous. Can we have a few million? I know, right? Ajax, good to see you. Welcome on in. So let's keep going on the story. So what else? So I was entrepreneurial. I did very good with that company, sold that company, joined Microsoft, did Microsoft Partner University, then wanted to be entrepreneurial again, looking to join. I interviewed at Amazon for Amazon EC2 before they had Amazon Web Services. I interviewed there, and then that was in Seattle. I was still living in Seattle. Then I wanted to look at Silicon Valley, San Francisco. That's where it's all at, right? Free cash glitch, right? I know, the infinite money glitch. You got the infinite money glitch. Wait, you started by making Wix, then that was enough? You made another company? Well, I didn't know what I had. I thought it was good, and it was actually really novel for the time, and it worked really well. I was able to make a lot of money from a lot of businesses, making them successful, getting their presence online, and allowing them to edit their website without having to hire an engineering team. That was the idea. Right? That was what I built. And I wanted to make sure that they didn't have to hire another team or someone to edit their website in order to maintain their online presence. They just used my tool. And it worked. No, this was before Wix was a thing. This was before Wix. So you just talented at making big companies at startup? I know, we got multiple companies. And then joined with, I interviewed at several companies in Silicon Valley. Met Todd Green, who's my current co-founder right now, who's currently at PubNub, who's the CEO at PubNub. We worked together several businesses before PubNub, and we just came up with a bunch of ideas. We needed a way to communicate on mobile, right? Communicate on mobile. There was no way to do it. That didn't exist. So we built it. You guys. We built it, and then we started releasing it as an API, and it turned out other people needed it too, especially for multiplayer games and for transportation logistics, right? And also there wasn't telemedicine back then. There was no telemedicine. And now there's a whole industry of telemedicine that we power. E-commerce for live voting and live polls. Fintech for those financial transactions that you see update in real time on the screen, right? Call centers with chat messages, support tickets. When you see the car moving on the map, you know what that's powered by, right? You know what that's powered by? So that's where we're at today. And we've just gotten, over 1 billion devices connected now, and we're just not giving up. There's more. We need to connect even more. So this is what we're doing now. That's the plan. Hey, Stefan, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hey, all. All right, let's keep going, you guys. So let's see here. 1 second. Okay. Hey, look at that. All right. Pull this over here. All right. One array. Okay, perfect. Device maxing. Yep, exactly. Device maxing. But how did you manage to build that at 17? I was very persistent. I mean, that must have been much harder back then. It was. There was no information. And you know what? You had to deal with all these systems that were broken. Right? There was no Google Chrome. It was only Mozilla, Netscape, and Internet Explorer 6 and 5 and 4. And they were terrible browsers. They barely worked. They crashed all the time. And so I had to make it work across all those. Maybe stress testing the canvas. I'm trying to make a display 12 megabyte JSON array. Whoa. Hey, there we go. We're going to add arrays in. So it's faster. We're going to do it. Pro tip, building boring business solutions and don't chase the cool factor dopamine concepts. That's what this is. Yep. That's a good one. Young Steven sounds like he was working like 12 hours a day. I was. And still working quite a bit too. At age 1. No, 17. Yeah. Yep. You got it, Savan. So on Hi Bro, I created an AI mock interview app. Give it a try. Tell me where to improve. Send it on Discord. Post the link in Discord. Nice. All right. Okay. Link share, or where'd you put it? So someone, YouTube, you said that there was a link share. Did you put anything? Let's see here. No. Okay. So YouTuber, You said they put something on, what was it called? Product Hunt? Send the link on Discord. All right, was it? At Torva. Stephen Blum. Yes. Oh, thank you. Right here. Okay. I missed it. Oh, I missed it. Oh, Torva, thank you. Okay, here we go. AI mock interview. Upload your resume. No, it's not happening. I'm not uploading my resume. I don't have one. I really don't. I don't have a resume. Is it? Oh, here we go. Start interview. Software engineer. Browse. Start interview. I don't have a resume. I don't have a resume. Tell us about your parents if you want. I'm curious. Were they supportive? Well, sort of. I left home. I left home and I went out on my own. I went out completely on my own. I left. I left home. I moved away. Added a PR for caching. Ooh, nice. Nice, Nathan Nolt. Sounds good. Add any random file. I'm not gonna upload anything right now. There's here. Let me see. No, I can't do it right now. I'm not on a secure. I can't do it right now. Not gonna happen. I'm very security conscious, so we got to stop on that one. Sorry. What did you invent in 17? A sort of a website that replaced Dreamweaver and Front Page. Allowed you to edit your website materials, upload new photos, replace them, automatically edited the photos, got the right size, compressed them, added shapes, and it allowed anyone to manage their website easily just by clicking. It was an easy click button. Stephen, do a blank file. It's not the problem. The problem is connectivity. It's my connectivity. I can't give away. Well, I kind of already did. I kind of already gave away some of it, but I don't. I'm too security conscious. I'm too security conscious. I'll do it later though. I'll do it later maybe. Love coding so much. Sad that I'm not gonna have a job. Hey, good fella. You still have a job. It's just that you won't be coding by hand anymore, I think. Just popping in for a quick hello. Sounds good, Sivan. So yeah, my parents, they were supportive, though I did everything on my own. Would you say nowadays that's easier to build a company in the web? I think it's way easier to build a company. At the same time, much more difficult because there's a lot of noise. Now that it's so easy to build a tech company using the AIs to write the code for you automatically, you no longer have to worry about a lot of upfront capital. So you can start it right now. Right now, this very moment, you can start one and build software and release it on the internet and have a pricing model and a billing model, get customers. You can do that and at a very low cost. So almost basically free. Essentially almost necessary, very close to free. The problem is, of course, now you have to compete with all the other companies that are doing the same approach. Wow, nice, yeah. So it's a little bit more difficult. Thank you, Stephen, for giving your time to check my project. Actually, I gave up on this project. I'm going to be motivated on your stream. Oh, hey, no worries, Sohan. Yeah, if you got any source code, I'll be happy to read the source code. I will read the source code. I'm just being very careful about caution and things like that. Got it. It's when you give your code to make VM friendly, you can run it mostly secure. Yeah, exactly. You built a Norton Commander clone. Hey, you did? Nice. Got that security going, you guys. We got to do some coding here. We definitely got to get some coding going. What time is it? I need to see. I do have to get going. I do have some time here. Let me check. So one moment, you guys. One moment. Okay, so we got time. We got a little bit of time. Good for the caution, Steven. I know, exactly. We got to be careful. I might misclick or something. I might misclick. Mello, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're doing some live coding here, sort of. We're trying to get through chat as well. Steven, can you check the canvas real quick? Yes. Is this one or this one? Here we go, this one. Yeah, right there. Okay, canvas ready to go. Got the canvas up there. File management was a big thing back then. It sure was, wasn't it? I asked you about speech-to-speech conversion. Oh, you suggested searching Sesame AI. Yep, exactly. Journey to coding. Exactly. I know what you're talking about, journey to coding. Yep, you know it. You added a PR for caching, a cleaner PR. Oh, all right, let's check. We'll check it out. So we go to pull request here. Speed up element retrieval. All right, here we go. Let's look at this real quick. Speeding up element retrieval. Hey, there we go. Cash ARR, annual recurring revenue. Okay, as opposed to query div. Okay, so cash ARR target index, and then where you build the index. Hey, look at that. Look at that. One moment though. All right, so you get the element, you get the target, the attribute, and then index of cash. I'm reading through it real quick. So this is actually a very good PR. This is great. One feature, one thing, easy to see, easy to understand. So this can also be a const, I believe. You can make that const. You don't have to make it a let. Cash ARR return. I'm seeing where you build it at. So this is all right. So where is that at? Divs append child div set. Oh wait. Oh. So we don't need the element there anymore. Okay. So now you've just got the array directly. Nice. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So now I've got the array directly, and that references so you get the index, target index. Where is this built at? One second. Where do you say that? That target index of target. How do you, wait. Target. What is target? So this lookup still happens. This works array from divs here. Oh, divs. Oh, I see what you did there. Okay, so you took all the divs from here and then you put it into here, and then you're accessing the amount. You know what? I think that's pretty good. No, I cannot be a const because we set it below. Oh, got it right here. Okay, yeah, got it. I was thinking you could use like a push or concat or something. Almost any type of file today has some disclosing watermarks. I know, right? We gotta be careful. Let's see here. I know, right? Chat is working because Steven's not coding. I know, right? See. Sohan, sorry, I missed your chat message. So I didn't in an alternative anyway. You did? I'm actually curious. So about Sesame, I didn't have a GPO, so I couldn't use that. So you did something alternative. Sohan, I'm curious what you built. What did you build over there? Hey Harris, how's it going? What you doing? We are doing some shared campus activity, you guys. Thank you, Steven. Keep motivating. Good night. All right, Sohan, I'm gonna go to sleep. 3 a.m. in India. Wow, it's really late. I'm sending the GitHub link in Discord. Sounds good. We will check it out. Fan from India. All right, Sohan, sounds good. Enjoy watching the code review. Yeah, this is actually pretty good. So this one is worth it. Hey, we're gonna merge it. We're gonna merge this one. Hey, we're gonna merge it. Nethnolt, we're merging it. All right, merged. Confirm. Merged. I did 2 pull requests today. We got them in. Good job, you guys. All right, so let us load that in. Git status. Git commit. Cleanup. Oh, we did a little bit of cleanup. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Thank you for the reactions. Clean up. Right. We need to do a pull. Pull. Merged in. All right. Oh, wait. We got a conflict? No worries. Vi index. Let's find out where that conflict is. Ah, okay. That's actually very annoying. We want to keep both. Okay. So, keep. And then we're going to delete that. Delete that. And we're going to delete that. All right. Make rainbow. Looks good. Okay. Where's the other? Was that it? Was that all the problems there were? So 1 second. I need to make sure that this is gone. All right, that's gone. Okay. I believe that'll work. Before I push that, let me look if that works locally. Yep, it looks good to me. All right, you guys. The chain, you guys. It's the change. No, it cannot be. All right. I'm least to see. Algorithm stopped. Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about, Savon. Yep, exactly. Isn't that nice? Well, it's nice. It's like pleasant now. I enjoy watching review. See here. I feel like the type of product is changing. If you build the next Wix, you won't have much success there because someone already did it. Making something with CI/CD easier, like stuff further down. Ah, yes. Foundational stuff. You got it. Are you drawing a movie? Is this a movie? Are you doing a movie? Whoa, it works. Top left. Yeah, you're doing a movie. That is really neat. Moving pictures. Check that out. That is beautiful, Torva. Good job. Twister. It's a tornado. Yeah. Hey, that's really great. Bad apple. Is it? I don't know. It looks good to me. That looks like a good apple. Good job. All right, we need to add a few more things in here, you guys. We got to add a few more things. Color. So we don't need... Do we need this anymore? I don't think we need... Background color here. Oh, that one is... Look, colorize stuff. Oh, no, that one's fine. All right, we don't need that, right? So I think we can delete this. We don't need that anymore, right? I think we can delete that. I'd also like to convert this to a const. I think we can do that. Const equals an array. It's not necessary to do. I'm just doing it because I want to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Not necessary. Anyway, unfortunately, I just got 2 regrets. Got to plan, snack, and sleep. Sounds good, Savon. But then again, I am much too bad of a dev to identify such things. Hey, you know what? We're good to go. I don't think there's much to worry about. You've got the AI that will take care of business now. We're just doing legacy things right now because it's fun. Steven had a bad apple similar to Doom. It's a meme where you can display pictures. You must make the bad apple music video. Oh, is that what that is? See, I didn't know. I should know. I feel like I should know, but I didn't. Hey, MellowWeb3, what's your thoughts on Linux as an operating system? We use it all the time. I'm using it right now on my Android. It's running Linux, and I've got we've got Docker virtual machines running. We've got Linux running all over on our servers. I use Linux all the time, every day. So do you. You're running on the internet. Cheers, I'll see you again. Sounds good, Savon. Enjoy your day, night, and evening. Sleep well. All right, let's keep going, you guys. Where was that at? So divs, cacher, okay. So array. So what we need to do is we need to take this array and convert it into this and say dot push, dot call. We need to do a push dot call, I think. Something like that. We got to do something like that. Like that, there we go. We're going to find out if that works. But, yep, exactly. Bye, Savon. Chrome timed out. Stop. Let me try again. Hey, all right, sounds good. But then AI is still pretty stupid. It's sort of good at tricking people. And the thing is, it's something that's not. It sure is. However, you know what? It's okay because if it works, doesn't matter. If it works, doesn't matter. No, it can't be a const because we set it below. Yep, we're fixing it. Hey, we're not really fixing it. We're just changing it. We're just changing. Is it better? No. What you wrote, Nethnult, what you wrote, Nethnult, is actually perfectly fine. I'm just changing it because I feel like it. I'm just changing it because I'm like, I feel like I want to change it. Linux maxing, exactly. You got me. My home operating system is Linux. It's great, never breaks randomly, especially respects your time, like almost no random noise. Hey, never. Great reason to use Linux, you guys. Great reason to use Linux. All right, I think this will do the trick. Let me check though. I think we might need to do apply. Like that. Let's find out if that works. We're gonna try it. Oops. Let's go back over here. Chat is maxing. Yeah, they sure are. All right, so let's say we have an array. Let a equals 1, 2, 1, comma 2, like that. Okay. And then we have const cache equals, and we say cache dot push dot apply. And we go a comma a. Can we do that? Cache. So that didn't work. And then what if we did cashier? Okay. So that's... Oh, we're doing it the wrong way. Oh, no. Oh, okay, so we got it there. Okay, there we go. All right. So it's going to be a cache. All right, see? It can be a const. I told you it would work. I told you it would work. The song's very serious. I know it was. It was serious at the moment. Thanks for the Party Poppers reactions, you guys. So good to have you guys here. Happy Thursday. I knew it would work. All right, so I believe it's this, right? Is that it right there? Yes. And then we can say cache. Yep, see right there. Right there. That's how it works, you guys. Sorry, read some of your chat message here. Not saying it has to be, though. Seems still to be many issues. Like, for example, when a friend of mine built an app with AI, it casually put user input directly into the database query. Oh, yep. You can have, was it SQL injection? Yep, you can do SQL injection. You know it. SQL injection is a problem. It's a problem, you guys. Emoji maxing. Hey, Kyle, emoji maxing. Thank you. Appreciate it. You can't really say AI will do everything in any sufficient complex. Yet you're going to end up with unmakeable spaghetti. Right now, you're so right. Never you are. You're right. However, it may be changed. Maybe it's better in the future. I don't know. We'll find out. However, right now, you're 100% right. Having extra tech skills when leveraging the AI gives you a higher chance of success. Emoji maxing. I would try to merge in the most horrible code because it passes in the bare minimum. It sure does. It will remove tests. It can't immediately pass. It does. You really have to force that AI. Is like, no, don't change that test. You can't touch that test. You have to make the test pass. You can't touch the test though. It's like, but if I touch the test, then the test will pass. Like, yeah, I know. You can delete all the tests and it will work all of a sudden. I know that's how it works. You gotta be so careful with the AI right now. At least you gotta be very careful. I think this is about right. So, did I get it proper? Did I do it right? So let's redo the code here. Let's redo the code. All right. Well, hold on. Wait. Let's just open a new one here. Okay. So we say const a equals 1, 2. We get const cache equals. We have cache.push.apply cache, comma a. And then a will be that, and also cache will be that. There you go. Okay. So this is what we need to do. Did we do it though? Did we get it right? We sure did. We sure did. Check that out. Let's see if I see that. Yeah, okay. We got it right. Hey, Nate, no, now that'll work. It'll work. Ooh, look at that. Look at what you're doing over there. You guys are being clever. I like it. Here, we're going to reload this window here. Uh-oh. Syntax error. Okay, on 122. Oh. There we go. I knew. I figured. There we go. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Hey, document.element. What are you doing over there, document.element? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Everything important to have to do myself. I'm seeing diminishing returns with AI. Yeah. Yep. It takes time. So here's my trick with AI. I use it all the time, every day, in multiple windows running concurrently. I give it very specific, direct input. Like, you need to change this, like this, and in 1 or 2 sentence max. That's the biggest prompt. That's it. It's very direct and precise, and I always get what I want from it. Always, every time. Essentially every time. And so if you treat it like that, treat it like the code writer, and you are the guide, then you always get exactly what you need. You match all of your security requirements, all of your code considerations, your architecture, the performance you're looking for, and the overall design. If you've got that, you can drive AI to do your bidding. And it works so good. It works so good. Performance sensitive stuff. Yep, you can say, yep, exactly. Be careful. It loves the heaps. Or the HEPs. What's the HESP? Wait, what's the HESP, Neva? What's that mean? I don't even know what that means. I'm like, yeah, the HESPs. That's what it is. You like the HESPs. Well, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. All right. Timed out again. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hey, keep going, Torva. You're not far off, though. I think it could make it faster by... Oh, so, yes, we're going to do that. So we're going to do the make it faster button here. Let's do the make it faster button. Are you ready? All right, 1 second. We're going to do make it faster. All right, so we're going to allow you to transmit an array. We're going to allow you to transmit an array. So subscribe. So Nate Knoll already does this. Is kind of slow. It's better to dynamically figure out the pixel index from the XY. You have to do math for it. Unfortunately, ultimately doing this with divs is the largest problem because you have an update as style of every div element. And this causes the paint composer, which is slower than doing it with the canvas. Yep, exactly. Document element. We did the canvas one already. So we got the canvas one right here. So you can see the canvas works really well. We've got that one. We did that one. We sure did. And the whole point was, can we do this in divs? Can we do it in divs? And the answer is yes, you can. You sure can. I like that. That's great. So we got you. You can. Yep, you sure can. Exactly. All right, so we're going to do the colorizer here. Oh, whoa, check that out. Oh, whoa, it's way better now. It looks like an anime dancing girl. Is that what that is? Like anime dancing? Is this some sort of anime? You're doing movies. This is a movie. This is great. Look, oh, you get is that someone flying? Oh, you're dropping something. Hold on. You've got a whole movie here. What is this? Torva, this is amazing. We got to zoom in on that, don't we? Can we zoom in on that? Zoom. No, we can't zero. Can I zoom in differently? What if I do that? There we go. There we go. We zoomed in now. There we go. Torva, this is awesome. To Be Human, how's it going? It's called Bad Apple. Oh, Bad Apple. Bad Apple. Steven, small targeted change, usually A. Better idea. You can reject bad much faster. If you let an AI write Rust, it would make everything arc mutex. Oh, and deadlock. Oh, got it. Okay. So you do need to have some guidance on the architecture. Otherwise, the AI is going to take over. It's like making Doom. I get it now. Ah, we get it. It's Bad Apple. Bad Apple, you guys. Learning new things every day. Learning new things. All right, so we're going to colorize. We're going to upgrade this so that way it supports an array. So let's do this. So function receiver, and we'll have message. Like that. Okay. And we're going to do colorize. Somewhat, though. We're going to go over here, and this is going to be called receiver. There we go. Receiver, you guys. It's endless. Nice. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. Yes, it's Bad Apple. Just another meme like Doom. It's great. We're going to see if we can make it. So we're going to add, this will allow you to post every frame in one message. So this upgrade is going to make it faster. Nice. Wait. Hey, no worries. No worries. It'll still work either way. So we need to say if message. See, how do we say is array? So Nate, no, you already did this for us. So I'm wondering if we got over here. All right. Array. Here we go. Is array. Array.is array. Okay. Yes, we're going to reuse this logic here. Okay. Whoops. Okay. All right. Oh, wait. Hold on. What? No! Where'd that go? We'll recopy it. My buffer, you guys. My buffer. Okay. Yes, haha. Nate, no, thank you. Yeah, we're using your array as array. Let's make Doom run on the canvas. I know, that would be great. You can do it. I was always been in awe at how much there is to learn. It's so much, you guys. Kyle, thank you. Programming can do if you treat it as also a hobby, not just how doing it with this minimal effort. Yeah. I mean, it is a discipline. It is you got to think it through. You do. You got to think it through. And treat it more than just a novelty. Got to treat it with respect and care. Respect and care, you guys. All right, let's keep going. Receiver. All right, got that over here. Is array. If. We'll just say if is array. Then we will loop it. Message. Okay. Else. We'll do like this. Okay. Or what we could do is, I've got a better idea. I'm just trying to I always like to minimize. I like that. I want to min-max. I like min-maxing code. It's really satisfying. We can do this. Steven is a samurai class programmer, though. Yeah, we're doing it. We're min-maxing right now. We're definitely min-maxing. So I'm going to think, we're going to see pixels equals And then we could say pixels equals, we'll do this, MSG. Like that. On this side. Not array, message, yep, message equal, yeah, exactly! Hey, no, you know what we're doing! Message equals message, yeah, I like that better. Alright, way better, way better. Yours is better. Yours is better, I like it, I like it! Is not array, alright, I like it. Not array. We're gonna do it, Message, message equals message. Like that, there we go. Then we can just go on to colorize and we can say for message.map colorize. Wait, how do we do this? We'll do MSG. Like that. Hey. Actually, we should do it for each. Because we don't need it. We don't need to map it. There we go. There we go, you guys. Hey, there we go. Just copy and paste the code. Don't worry about it. All right. I like doing this. See how nice and clean that is? See how it's clean? I believe that'll actually work as is. I'm pretty sure that'll work just fine. Like that. MSG. Message. So how about we say messages? So that way it's a little bit more obvious. Okay, there we go. Because you have to do message equals message. Right. Thank you for checking that out. You got to put the brackets on it. Nathan Nolt, thank you. Thank you so much. Honestly, if everyone can do top-level mechanical stuff, then the deep knowledge and architecture as well as human skills become even more important. It seems like that's going to be the case for now. Absolutely. You know it. I think so. Yep, even Neva agrees. Yes, basically, exactly. Jinlu is a bard. Yeah, I know. Jinlu is great. Jinlu's done a lot of musical talent. Got a screw. You got screwed over an architecture mistake. I knew I was making it a month ago. Uh-oh. Now everything the code needs to be double work because of that one mistake. That one mistake, Neva. I know, it can happen. It can happen to you too. I like what you're doing over there, the Mona Lisa. I see what you're doing to the Mona Lisa over there. I just noticed. I wasn't paying attention. So the other day, we had the canvas up over here. We had the canvas running, and someone was writing chair someone was writing the word chair. They're like writing, the word chair, like C-H-A-I. And then someone else wrote T down here. Like tea, like chai tea. I didn't notice it at all until I saw it in the recording. And then there was an R right here. And then someone was like erasing the R, like, no, the R is coming. And then someone was like battling, like, no, there's really an R here. Like, really, it's chair, not chair tea, it's chai tea. I thought that was so funny. I know it's not like the greatest story, but it was great for me. I really liked it. I enjoyed that. That was really funny when you guys did that. I didn't notice. I wasn't paying attention at the time. So yeah, basically a lot to learn. Also, still general technical skill and reasoning matters. Also, AI is cool. All at the same time. Rainbow Lisa. Hey, yeah, there you go. We got the Rainbow Lisa. In oat face cam. In oat face cam. You know it. All right, let's keep going. All right, did we do this properly? This is my question. Does this look correct? I think it does. I think this looks correct. I think it does. Can we min-max further? Can we min-max this further? I know we can. I know we can delete these guys. We don't need those. Right? Can we min-max even further? Let's make sure it works first. Let's make sure it works. Okay. Let's grab this. Pull it over here. All right. It looks like it's working to me. That looks like it's working to me. Oops. Oh, I'm destroying your artwork. Sorry. I feel like ChatGPT beta was pretty close to the same as we have now. Back in the day, well, there's still a lot of work to do. There really is, right? Isn't there still a lot of work to do? Probably going to take some sort of additional classes after college to puff up your resume. All right, you can do that. You can do that. I'm not going to dissuade you from that, although I I'm not all 100% down on that because I dropped out, right? So I dropped out of school. So I'm not saying that that is the best option. Check out your other options. Maybe there's some other options in there. Wait, I have my found help me run Doom. Just need to modify it a bit. Okay, Torva, we'll wait. We're not going yet. We're not leaving yet. We're not leaving yet. Let me check my time though, because I do have a meeting coming up here. All right, we do have some time. Torva, we have some time. Like it used to be able to solve a quadratic equation. It can't now? Wait, it couldn't? It couldn't. It used to not be able to solve a quadratic equation. Now it can. Yeah, I remember using workflows for the features they added. How do I paste image there? So what they're doing is they are getting an image, grabbing all the pixels from the image, and then transmitting that using this. Oops, sorry. They're transmitting the image using PubNub.publish. So every pixel. However, now that I've upgraded it with the array support, you can now upgrade the projection to be large chunks of a draw in one message. So this should dramatically increase the performance. So Torva, I'm going to commit this. I do believe this will help. Git status, git add, git commit, git restore staged, -am. Okay, merged conflicts and made bulk pixel support. Okay, perfect. Push domain. See if that works. All right, git pull. Did it? Wait, hold on. 1 second. Updates were rejected because push behind remote. Oh. Didn't we already have everything? Origin main. Okay. One moment, you guys. We gotta do some merging in here. It seems there are already rebase merge directory. I wonder if you're in the middle of another rebase. If that is the case, please use git rebase. All right. Okay, did we do it? Are we good? All right, there we go. Now we're good. Okay. So that will give you, I believe, the ability to... Nice. Perfect. To send large chunks. Yes. You've got the large chunks. Yep, there you go. You do it. You're doing it. The large chunks supported. And very nice. All right, we're going to reload. We'll reload the pages. Large chunks supported. There you guys go. Large chunks supported. This is great. All right. Let me see if I can pull that up here. All right. You know what I'm going to do? Because three is fun. Let's do 3. Let's do 3, you guys. Let's get 3 in there. Perfect. Like that. All right. 3 to go. Perfect. Now we're good to go. Now like that. Who is bro doing? How's it going there? Wix Sills. What are you doing? Ake, how's it going? Welcome online, Ake Buren. Good to see ya. We just did a merge conflict there. We just merged that in and we're good to go. Git status. Git pull. Just double checking everything was good. Git push. All right, we're all good to go. Yeah, everything's there. Okay, let's add some more features, you guys. So we just enabled fast drawing. Large pixel drawing. Someone sent a stream as pixels, so it's meta. It's so meta. And it really, they sure did. They sure did just now. Boom! Stream pixels. Let's reload. I'm going to reload that so that way that one supports it. All right, so now we're on the latest version. Okay, good. We got the latest version on all 3 windows. Let me see. Startups are hard and risky. If it was easy and safe, there wouldn't be any money in it. I know, right? Add AI a video game. You grab early adopters and content creators. Add AI to a video game. That is something I can't believe that has not happened yet. It might have happened at a few, onesie twosies here and there. However, I'm surprised that has not happened yet in like a mainstream game. I feel like that should happen. I feel like I should. Hard to find a good idea that's not already been implemented. I know it's tough. Don't worry. What you got to do is find a common pain point. Find a common pain point. Something like, oh, I don't want to do this, right? I don't want to do that. Who wants to do that? And then find that same phrase for multiple people. And multiple people are like, hey, I don't want to do that. You found your next business. There you go. You found it right there. Because you're like, oh, you don't want to do that? Well, I've got the solution for you. Here you go. Okay. Zooming out there. Looking good. Looking good. Yep. Just double checking. All right. Okay. It's hard to think of something. I know. That's all. Endless ideas. It's forever. The opportunities are massive right now. There's so many opportunities. Missing some of your chats, you guys. I'm running a little bit behind. Let me pull this in so you can see. All right. Where are we at? Okay. Someone send to the stream. Competition gaming. Yep. Exactly. That would be neat. Ideation. We need. That's not how ideation or innovation works. The competition in the gaming space is enormous. Yeah, being innovative is their challenge. What do you all think about calling AI a bubble and that it's about to burst? So Wix Sills, it seems to be here to stay, from my understanding. It's here to stay. You might get some deflation, and we've seen some of that already. There's been a little bit of deflation. However, I don't think there's going to be a burst because there's so much money in it right now. The reason why there was a bubble when the real estate bubble of 2008 and the dot-com burst is because there was no revenue and there was like a loss of revenue. A whole bunch of loans in 2008 were given to folks who couldn't pay them back, right? So it was predatory loans. And so it was basically inflating a market that didn't, there was no way to pay it back. So that was the reason why that burst in 2008. In 2000, the dot-com burst, that happened because there was no revenue from the actual internet companies. They were given massive valuations, they raised a whole bunch of money, but they didn't have any revenue streams. The reason why AI is different now is because there's a bucket ton of revenue. They're making billions of dollars. They are intentionally not profitable because they are growing the revenue line. They want to keep growing the revenue up. So as long as revenue goes up, they throw more money in. And then eventually you go profitable, you change a few things with the corporation, and then you convert into a company that gives dividends to shareholders and things like that. And you've just done, you've grown the value of the equity. And so you add liquidity and exit options for those who were purchasers of the equity at the beginning who invested into the companies. So it's a win-win-win-win-win for everyone. It's a win all around. That's why I don't think there's a real bubble. Although it's kind of funny to hear people say, "Oh, it's a bubble. It's gonna." We're using a lot of it right now, and it's just being heavily invested in, and it keeps getting better. How could that be a bubble, right? Tell me I'm wrong. Am I wrong? I feel like it's not a bubble. So I must make a program to send pixels to your website. No, you can click directly on the link. So where is the link at? It's right around here. So I'll throw this back into Discord. It's in our Discord, you guys. It's in Discord. Where is that? Go back over here. Go into this 1 million divs. And this is it here. You click on that link. Copy. There you go. And I'll put that into Discord. So you guys are under the link share. Here you go. Link share. All right. So not a bubble. Why would I get muted? For what exactly? Oh, I don't know. Where'd you get muted? You're a great person. Thank you. Hey, thank you for the super chat. Don Moog, appreciate it. Wow, that was great. I was unexpected. Wow, thank you. Wow. All right, so let me click the like button there, and let me say at Don. Thank you. Explanation point. Spell that properly. With some party poppers. Not raised hands. Party popper. There we go. Thank you, Donmo. Appreciate it. You're a great person. Well, I pray that's a great compliment. You just made my day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Simple Slips. I missed your message there. Let's see here. How do you know how many startups have you tried to start? How many businesses have you started? Yeah. Oh, that's one way to look at it, right? It's a tough game. Oh, it's coming in. Something's happening there. AI will likely stay. Yeah, I think so too, Neva. It's used by a lot of people. The investment patterns are kind of weird with cyclical investments, basically making one invested dollar like $3 of growth in some cases. Yeah, there's some things happening there. Ooh, I like that. I like what you're doing. This is neat. You're making something there. Sending image to your website. You can do that. So if you want, the way to do that is just download this repo right here. Download this repo. I'll put this on Discord and you can see where the code is. You can even just ask an AI to understand where the transmission of the pixels occur at. Say, I want to send an image using this code. So open up index.html, give this to the AI right here, and then you can ask the AI to transmit images. You could do that. That'll work. That'll work right now. It will. That'll work. Okay. Let's pull this back over here. All right, you guys. Hey, Torva, how's it going over there? I do got to wrap up because I do have to get going here at a certain point. We're not done yet, but we do have to get going here pretty soon. We added the array of pixel support. So we did this. Let me do a check mark here. We added more colorful because y'all made it. We didn't add the color pickle. We didn't add the screen clearer, but you know, that's fine. We don't need to worry about it. We did the better caching because of Nate Nolt. Thank you, Nath Nolt. Appreciate it. Let's go over there, add storage. We didn't do that storage though. If we have time, let me check it out. All right, I'm going to give it a little bit more time. No problem, Nate Nolt. Appreciate it. That was so great. Wow, y'all. Let me see here. I'm trying to keep up. It's not a bubble because being invested in, buddy, that's what makes the bubble. Oh, yeah. So I guess technically you could call it a bubble. You can call it a bubble. However, I don't think there's going to be a burst, right? I don't think there's going to be an explosion of like, oh wait, we're not using AI. Stop. Unless, you know, Skynet, right? Unless Skynet, right? Then it's gonna. Then we're gonna have some problems like, all right, everyone stop AI, go back to the old way. Then there's a burst, right? Burger, gold, send trade, place hard trade. What are you doing over there, Xavier? What are you saying, Xavier? I don't mean to make arguments, just share opinions. Hey, you're doing good. Thank you. Keep on coming. I see AI likes more bad things over good things. Say RAM prices. Oh, well, that's just a matter of consequence. GPU prices make people less capable in the long run, and so on. Yeah, that's a problem. That's the supply chain. Stock prices of some stocks and everyone jumping in on the AI hype train does seem a bit overheated. Yes, you're right. There is some overheating there. That's completely fair to say. Especially certain stocks like Tesla feel like might actually be severely overvalued right now. Stock to price ratio, right? Price to earnings ratio, the PE. Yep. We're good. Don't worry about it. Currently trying. Should maybe work. Okay. Work in a minute. All right, Torva, sounds good. Epic music. Kyle got epic music. You work really hard on YouTube and don't get subs like you do. There's a small chance you'll mention my channel in your next shorts. Maybe. So let me see here. How do we go to your channel? Channel activity? Let's see here. Can we go? How do I find you? Let's see. How do I find you? Go to Discord and share your link on Discord. We can click. I feel like AI can be something to stick around. Yeah, I feel like too, right? Financial bubble at the same time. Yes, financial bubble. Yeah, that's a good way to say it. That's a good way to say it. OpenClaw got me fired. Oh no, NFG004. OpenClaw, gotta be careful about that. Bubble exploding doesn't mean everyone stops using it. It means that the value of crashes. .com bubble search. Yeah, so the reason why I think that the value is not going to crash either is because they're making billions of dollars. And they're making more than most nations, right? Just these AI companies alone are already making more money than most of the countries on the planet, right? As a GDP. They're already doing better. And they have the ability to do even better when they're at right now. And most companies still haven't fully adopted. Like only about, 5% of the world is fully bought into it. So I think so. This is why I think there's just a lot of opportunity out there. anything but hard work. I know, right? Exactly, Kyle. I don't want to do the work. The AI is going to do it for me. Where's the easy button? I want to press the easy button. Let's press the easy button, you guys. Also, to support my opinion, more environmental problem due to cooling and stuff. Running the LLMs, MIT study says 95% of all AI projects fail. AI non-deterministic. So it's not wise for sensitive. Yes. So the non-determinism has been solved. We mostly, for the most part, with tool calling and function use, it allows you to take that non-deterministic output, which is a blob of text, and convert it into something that is parsable. Yeah, something called AI agents. This is the future, you guys. AI agents. NVIDIA earning coming from companies who are getting their money from either cash reserves or debt. B2C does not seem to make money yet. Oh, B2C, right. B2B is. So we are spending at PubNub. At PubNub right now, we're spending a lot on AI, and we're not, and we want our spend to increase, right? We see opportunity to take advantage of this right now. Have AI help us accelerate our product development, and it's working. It's working. OpenAI is currently about $100 billion in debt, and their projections aren't good at all. Actually, you know what? To let you know, I haven't really been paying attention to that part. And I think that's probably fine because they are making billions of dollars already. And so it would only take them a few years to get out of that debt if they needed to. There's no good ideas. Everything sucks. I know, right, Kyle? The whole world is coming to an end. Is this still working over here? Let's see. Yeah, it is. All right. So we still got it working. I'm going to reload that. There we go. So we can see. All right. So before we head out, we're going to try to add storage and retrieval. I think we can do that. So let me think about this for a second. So we could load every single 100 by 100. We could loop through all of the history. We could loop through all of history. Or we could pop out a... Let's see. Do I have history already? Let's find out. Yes, I do. Okay. So let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can pull in history. Let's try it. Okay. Can't run the emulator for Doom. Oh no, Torva! No! That's a problem. Oh, that's unfortunate. Browser doesn't allow WASM. No! Oh, that's terrible. Oh no. That would have been really neat if you had Doom running in your browser. You were playing Doom and you're transmitting all the pixels over to my screen. Torva fail. I know, Torva fail. They sure are making money. The net profit is projected to be about negative $14 billion. That's okay. The similar goes for most companies. All companies that are profiting from government money. Oh. Hey, Sky, how's it going there? Welcome on in. I see you're all drawing something over there. That's great. Would need to go over a private server and then stream it to the website. Takes too long. All right, no worries. Maybe we could do it next time. Don't worry. We've got more tasks to do. Tomorrow will be the last day of the shared canvas, and then we'll move on to something new next week. Don't worry. We're not done yet. Can I have mod, please? I'm here every live. Are you? All right. Hey, Kyle. It's Kyle's call. Hey, Kyle. Let's see here. We're going to... Let's see. 1 second. Kyle. 1 second. It's up to Kyle. Kyle, let me know if that's something that you think makes sense. Would you need to go over private server? Yeah. I see you guys. Ooh, you got a pretty gradient. Look at that. Why? No. No. No, 2 streams and 1 timeout. Exactly, Torva. Exactly. All right, you guys heard it. The mods are standing their ground. Next time. Hey, don't give up, though. Ask again. Ask again next time. We're back tomorrow. All right, so let's see if we can add some history. So let's see. History, channel, origin, count 100, and then channel. And then we also need more than that, right? All right, so we're not done yet. So we got to do more. Where's this at? Channel origin, and then we need offset. We'll need to do an offset. Okay, let's run this first and see what it comes out with. Mods can look at channel activity. Ah, there we go. We found it. See, Torva knows. Side, then it might crumble from there. Oh, NVIDIA feels like the shovel sales. Yeah, they sure are. And the gold rush, they're the shovel salesmen. It does not surprise me. They're the ones making a lot of the money right now. I'm worried that if profits don't come in quick enough on the B2C, then it might crumble. That's right. It's mostly B2B right now. It's mostly B2B. All right, count user ID origin channel. We also need offset. Equals 0. We'll figure this out though. Setup that or page maybe. Let's see. I mean, hey, look at that, y'all! I love it. Right there. Very nice. Okay, offset. Well, how about we do start? I don't know. Let's run it here. All right. So load history. Interesting. This project is cool, isn't it? I think it's neat. So because of you guys. This is you guys who brought it in. Thank you. But again, as long as PubNub gains something from using ad, then you're doing everything right. And you don't have to care about the stock prices of other companies. Hey, that's a good way to say it. Appreciate it. That's what we're doing. That's the plan. Exactly. OpenAI already running. Get profits. They're making the prices go up. Nothing there. More companies popping up. What's more likely is that users move more and more to offline large language models and cheaper alternatives. Yep, that's right. You're right. Basically ask Steven to make everyone a mod except Torva and maybe Nevo. Yep. I'm the mod of mods. Yeah, exactly. Mod of mods. Say bull. Oh, bubble. Say bubble. PubNub.history. All right, channel. It's gonna be channel. Whoa, I like that. I like taking over the screen like that. And then what is the callback? Oh, this is gonna return an await. Okay, so see, hold on a second. This is an async await. So I have to say await. So what we can do is we can just wrap this. So we say async function. Like that. All right, we're gonna wrap it. Execute it like this, and I think that's it, right? No, we already did that. Okay, so like that, and then we can say let msgs equals, or let's say messages equals await. TS means I love you in Hebrew. Oh, does it really? Bubble. I bubble you. Oh, hey, that's really nice. Well, I appreciate it. That's very nice of you to say. Don't not ask to be mod. Steven was like, hey, you're really helpful here. You be a mod. Honestly, not a huge deal. It's mostly just press a button yes or no on abandoned comments, auto banned comments, and occasionally banking Nazi. Yep. Hey, Neva, I know, right? You're here in the early days. Intense programming moment. Yeah, exactly. We're doing some intense programming over here. I think we just need channel. Auth key count. Yep. I think that's it. And then we just close the brackets like that. I'm pretty sure. All right. Let's see if that works. I need to check to see what the outcome is, the result. Okay, is this it? Okay. Now I need to... Here we go. I need to grab this code here. Perfect. Okay. And then I need to see what that looks like. Console. Network. Okay. Say Ani. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know if I have to say it. No, it's corny music. Changed. I know, right? Music changed. So this is what I'm looking for right here. Where is it? This one? No, that's sent. Yeah, this one right here. Here we go. Okay. Yes, perfect. 100. And then that's the offset. Okay, so let me look. So this is 0. So we get 0. And that will be the messages. Okay. So, and then we've got 1 and 2. Okay. So that's the offset. I'm like, that cross thatch effect makes my eyes go weird. Does that work for you guys too? Oh, that okay? Okay, so what was it? Okay, so this is the response. And we need to do this a few times. We're just gonna do this enough. So I'm gonna see if I can repaint stuff on the screen. So with that 100, so I could just say, let pixels equals response 0. And then we say colorize. I believe, is it colorize? No, receiver. I think we can just throw this into receiver directly. Yeah, we'll just do receiver. Okay. Receiver pixels. So we understand what's going on here. I believe that will be part of the picture. Remember those books that did that as kids? Wait, what are you talking about? What are we building? We're building a shared canvas experience. Yesterday, we added the ability to do multi-user. So now that allows you to draw on the screen, right? And you can share that experience with multiple people. So, right, so we've got, you can see how the canvas is kind of shared there. We've got, and then it works across everyone, right? Oh, did that already work? No, wait. Oh, it's gonna be the same because we're already loading in the last 100. So it's identical. So it's a double up. It's a double up. Okay. Magic eye pictures. Oh, right, the magic eye pictures. Yes, that made your eyes go weird. Oh, yeah, I do. I know what those. And you had to like slightly cross your eyes a smidgen just to see the 3D effects. Those were great. I remember those. Cross your eyes slightly to see it. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Thank you for the live coding. Hey, Sergio, I appreciate it. Good to have you here. We're wrapping up though. We're gonna wrap up this little bit here, and then I do got to get going. It was good to have you guys here. Yes. Yeah, we're at the end of our time. And I want to make sure that this part works here. And we need to say for, let's see, how many do this? From array. All right. How do we do this? I need to open up a window here real quick. Let's go to console. Woo, look at that. What are you guys doing? Bye. Yeah, exactly. Bye. We're hello, I'm back. Hey, you already know. Welcome back in. Good to see you. All right, let me go real quick. So I do have to wrap up here, you guys. I'm not quite yet. We're not quite done yet. I just need to do a few more things, and then we'll say goodbye. And then we'll say goodbye. Array from, how do we do this? Can we say 10? Like that? How do we, I forgot how to do this. How do we create a quick range? I thought I had the range in here earlier. If you guys remember, convert an array like into an array. Yeah, so I'm looking for like a range function. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So this dot 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 and then 10. Yeah, I need this to be. I want to make like an oh like that. Yeah, I want like a range style function. How do we do it? I forgot how to do it. I know there's a way to do it with triple dot with the ellipses. All right, JavaScript range function ellipsis. How do we do this? There's like an easy way to do it. I want a simpler, clean one where it's just a simple. Like this is too much code. I know you can do it like in one line. Like one line, like a really easy version of this. Like this is not simple. I've done it before. I just don't. I always forget how to do it. A simpler one. Simpler. One line. Yes, like this. Here we go. Like this. This is what I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure. All right, perfect. All right, so we could say function, range, size. It's not a full range. It's like a partial range. We go like this, and then we can say range dot for each, and then size will be 10. Let's say let time token equals 0. And then this is where we have to update the one above it. Change the 5 into size. Oh, thank you. Hey, thank you. Oh, yeah, Nathan, appreciate it. I would have been like, why is it not working? Main factor, who's playing Bad Apple on the canvas? I know, Jinlu. Who's doing that? I think that's Torva. How long we got? We just wrapped up a recording and backup plan for tomorrow. We've got like 4 minutes. We've got 4 minutes. And then we'll have to pick back up where we are tomorrow. We got 4 minutes left, you guys. 4 minutes left on the clock. Now you can sell each pixel on the web page, and then you make $1 million website. I know, right? We could do that. So what's the website about? This is just a shared canvas experience. Y'all can join in. You can click on it. You can share. You can draw on the screen at the same time. Right? You can draw on the screen there. Works on mobile. And also supports by Steven. Yeah, we're wrapping it up. We're wrapping up, you guys. Yep, it was Torva. It was Torva. All right, range 10. All right, for each. And we'll say element. Although we don't need this. We'll say in like that. Okay. And we need to put this over here. Receiver, yeah. Okay. And then we need to say time token. Or start. Maybe next. Like that, okay. And then oh no, we have to update time. And time token equals response 1. Let's see if that works. And then we need to say start. There we go. Dang, I should have tuned in between takes. I missed most of the stream. Hey, no worries. No worries. All right, we've got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, you guys. 2 minutes left. Currently for tomorrow, we should try to make Doom run on the canvas. Torva, that would be amazing. That would be really great. That would be great. That's tomorrow's plan. That's tomorrow's plan. And I'll keep making some updates here. All right, params counter. Yeah. How do we do this? I say and start equals start. There we go. Start. Or how about wait. No, hold on. We have to do something different. Wait. Okay. If start, then params plus equals. There we go. Like that. Perfect. All right, so that's only if we've got start. All right, I think that should do a trick. Okay. Drawing pixels on specific areas. I'll head inside now because I'm cold. All right, Jinlu, sounds good. Think you couldn't use full size because of performance. Also sent a attempted moon pic in general. Okay, let's check it out real quick. We'll see. Oh, look at that. That's a bright moon you got there. That's a bright moon. Oh, that's not the moon. That's that's a street light. Here's the moon right here. This is the moon right here. You can barely see it. You tricked me, Jinlu. I thought that was the moon right here, or the sun or something. Yeah, that's the moon. Yeah. Very nice. All right, you guys. Let's see. We've got... Oh, we're out of time. Okay, I got to get going. No, that's the camera reflection. Oh, is it? Oh, got it. Okay. Understood. More you know. The more you know. All right, you guys. It was so much fun hanging out with you today. Also, Nath Nolt, it was good to have you over there on Twitch. Good to have you there. We also got everyone here over on YouTube. Kyle, thank you for all the donations, Kyle. Appreciate it. Nate Nolt, yep. Excellent. Jinlu, good to have you here. Neva as well. Good to see you. MHC, you already know. Torva, of course. And sort of scrolling up through your eyes here. So good to have you here. Sergio as well. All y'all, so great to have you here. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll continue with the last day of the shared canvas. It'll be the last day of the shared canvas, you guys. I sent you a LinkedIn request. First name, Nathan. All right. Nathan, we'll see you on LinkedIn. Have a good night, everyone. Good to have you here. See you tomorrow. Please don't end stream. Oh, we got to go. I got to go. I've got to take care of business, y'all. I got to take care of business. I got work to do. We'll be back tomorrow, though. Don't worry. We'll be back tomorrow. Steven, it's been great. Neva, thank you as well. Still trying to send message. Oh, you know what? You'll be able to do it tomorrow. You'll be able to do it. Hey, I wonder what that's gonna say. I wonder what that's gonna say. Hey everyone, so good. It's been a pleasure. Like and subscribe, you guys. Like and subscribe. You see it over there on the screen? Isn't that great? Steven's got business. Yeah, I got a business max, right? I got a business max. Exactly. Like and subscribe, you guys. It's so good to see it. Subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow. Join the Discord. We will have the opportunity to chat offline, and anything else that you come up with, we can chat there. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys. Hey, plus thumbs up. I like it. That was awesome. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.